What's going on, guys? Kiger here, and now we have the Professor Luna's candy event. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to maximize everything possible with this event. Let's get into it. Alright guys, first thing you need to know is in the Suite Request page right here. So everyone's going to want the Transcendent Scroll and the 30 Mystic Scrolls. The Legendary Scrolls are usually going to be 4 stars, which obviously can be good, but I actually think this is a scam. I've ran the numbers during the last one, and everything seems to line up in this one as well. If you use the same amount of candy you would use on these 5 legendary scrolls, you can get 80,000 sky stones, which is just a massive amount when you get to late game, when things cost a butt ton to reforge. Now, I did the math on the collect candies right here, and I also did the math on your AFK per hour to try to help you maximize this event to get you everything you can. I'm going to give you all the numbers right now. So right here in collect candy for challenge arena, it's 15. So you get 15 a day. You get the regular 10, and in your battle pass quest, if you finish it, you get 5 additional. So if you're doing all 15 a day, no extra refreshes, you're getting 2,800 points, or times 2 with the pass. I'll give you all the final numbers at the end. You don't have to remember this. I'll also, at the end of the video, I'll put all the numbers in front of you so you can screen cap it and keep it for you so you can just do what you want with it. Now, all this could be confusing up here. They're all the same. They're all the path of growth, path of training, path of adventure, path of subjugation. Same, you need to do 5 and you get 200. So if you refresh all of them, which is 550 crystals a day, this is the only thing I'm going to be asking you to refresh, you'll be getting 10,080 points, and times 2 if you have the pass. Like I said, final numbers will be at the end. Field request down here at the very bottom, there's 3 per day, and you can only do 1 per character, so you have to do 1 on each of your characters. If you do all of them every day, then you'll be getting 3,500 points. This one isn't super important, but that converts into sky stones. That would be 35,000 sky stones that you could have had. Now for repeat quests, I'm not going to recommend you to refresh, but I will give you those numbers at the end of what you can get per refresh for repeat quests. You'll get roughly 650 without having to refresh during the course of the event. If you use those repeat quests to get more Path of Growth tickets, then that'll be an extra 5,000 points times 2 at the pass, which puts us at a grand total of 22,030, or 39,910 with the pass. You don't have to remember these numbers. I'm going to give you the final ones at the end and put it in front of you if you just want to look at it. You can get an extra 5,650 if you do a repeat quest refresh, which, if we take a look, costs more as you do it. So down here, repeat quests, it'll be 150 for the first one, 300 for the second one, and 450 for the third one. So decide based off of your crystal income if you can handle it. Without doing this, it's going to cost you 550 a day for everything I have, which is just the Path of Growth refreshes, which comes out to 7,700 crystals. So make your decisions based off of that. Then we have AFK farming, because if we look at the event that we were just at, Professor Lunar Request, at the very top it says you can get more candies by hunting creatures, gathering, mining, or opening chests. So what's nice is you get it through mining, so you can actually get it through Battlefield as well. Battlefield is very mine heavy, but I did all my calculations based off of 8 hours a day, and I'm also going to give you the numbers for every 1 extra hour if you would like to do more. I did the 8 hours because, the everyone assumes that you sleep for 8 hours. So during that 8 hours that you're asleep, this is what you can expect to get. I don't. You obviously, it is best to leave your phone or computer on all day, uh, both of the weeks. But I know not everyone's going to do that, so I'm just going to give you the possibilities. So if you're doing it solo, which I'll give you ideas of how you can do it properly, you'll be getting anywhere from 220 to 250 an hour by yourself, which will equal out to about 235 per hour, which is the number I used. If you do it the 8 hours a day, you're getting 26,350. Um, if you do it in a group, and I'll explain that once we get to it, you're getting about 300 an hour, so it's not really a whole lot more, but every little bit counts. And you do the 8 hours a day, 33,600. Like I said, 550 crystals per day, which is 7,700 crystals in total. If you have no pass and farm solo, doing 8 hours of farming a day, you're looking at the one trance goal, the 30 mystic scrolls, and 143,800 sky stones. If you have the pass and you farm solo, you're getting the trance scroll, the 30 mystic scrolls, and 322,600 sky stones. And if you do the party, just add 72,500 on top of that. Like I said, these numbers I'll put in front of you. And for every extra hour, if you do it solo, you're looking at 2,350 per hour. If you're doing it at a party, you're looking at an extra 3,000 per hour. So let me give you an idea of what you should be looking for. You are going to want speed type units. There are two primary ones. There's a couple others, but they're going to be really hard to get. And primarily, you're going to be looking at the Water Harg, which does the movement speed up, which is a level 3 movement speed up, which is very, very high. Or you also have the 4-star Green Griffin Bernard, who also does move speed up, but it's level 2. Lasts a little bit longer. Both of them are good. If you're going solo, it's recommended to do both, and then a good damage dealer. If you're doing a group, then everyone should have one movement speed unit and then 2 damage dealers. So you end up losing a little bit because you're sharing the rewards with other people, but you're going so fast with everyone having a Bernard or a Remy, primarily a Bernard because it also gives you the attack speed. You're churning 10-15% more, which comes out to the little bit extra that I told you, a little bit more than that, but this is the numbers we had when we did it on NA, and this is how it worked out for us. And I also did it all yesterday, and these are the numbers that I came with. So let me put the numbers in front of you so you can screen cap it or go to my Discord link down below, which I'll also have all the numbers for you. All right, so these are all the numbers. Go ahead and check my math if you wish, but these all count out. And let me know if you like seeing the numbers like this. You can see testing space up there for my Discord. That is just for me, only I can see that. But it will be when you go to my Discord and you scroll down. We have the Summoners War Chronicles section, and it'll be down here in the infographic and resource section, which you'll see. I have the One Punch Man stuff, as well as all the things that come up, as well as even leaked codes. If you use these codes right here, which, as I said in my Discord link down below, these are codes that we're supposed to get in like a week, which you can use right now and get some juicy rewards. Till next time, guys.